And here we go with this tag team match. The team that picks up the first pinfall or submission wins, and it's just that simple. Michaels is so quick, nearly impossible to catch.
Veteran reversal by Shawn Michaels.
And a hard shot by Shawn Michaels. It's an amazing atmosphere in this arena tonight. The knee. Shawn Michaels has passion. A fire that burns deep inside his soul that will never allow him to give up in a match.
Absolutely. Shawn Michaels is the embodiment of heart. That hand had a lot of force behind it.
Michaels had that well scouted. Tag team contest underway. Both of these teams have been very game so far. That Irish whip was delivered with tremendous aggression. Oh, what a whip, rattling every fiber of his being.
You know, there's just so much at stake for these teams in this match. A win in this one is absolutely huge.
Struggling for control.
Shawn Michaels has such a huge arsenal of weapons that he brings to the table. Oh, mama! We're in the feeling out process here. Who's going to get the advantage and maintain control? There's that big Oklahoma slam.
That wasn't very accurate. Triple H.
So much on the line in this one. And like they say, on any given night, anything can happen in the WWE.
Got out of the way of that one.
Oh, big DDT. That could be it. Now it is show-off time. Don't waste time gloating here.
Look, look.
A strong, wow, stealing your opponent's finishing move definitely sends a message. I just can't get over the physicality of this match. This has been brutal. What's he up to here?
And he gets the tag. And this is going to return to the ring. Down goes Michaels. What physicality. And he's out of the ring again.
Whoa, watch out! The announce table is getting torn down.
Oh, launched back into the ring.
Man, this is one of those matches you just like to sit back and enjoy watching. And he gets leveled.
What great action we've had in this match. Now back to the ring. Oh, the punch connects. Veteran maneuver there by Shawn Michaels. And ladies and gentlemen, that was vintage Michaels.
And there they go again. He's putting those educated feet to good use. And there he goes, crashing to the floor. Big impact into the guardrail. Oh, what a shot. That's like a battering ram.
What a match. Big collision with that restraining wall.
Oh my gosh! Sit right into that steel post.
Good in-ring presence shown by the...
Look out! Off the steel post. That post it again.
And right into that ring post. This attack to the Skull King. One has to be thinking about the possibility of a concussion.
Oh yeah, any one of those shots could give you a concussion. Out of the ring. Now what's going to happen?
Nobody home for that one.
Right into that ribs. He is definitely going to have those ribs looked at after this match. A shoulder block.
And he's in there trying to get something going for his partner. H, watch it, watch it.
This is out of his mind. through the barricade. Completely destroyed that barricade. This is unbelievable. 6. Back into the ring now.
3 moments away from a countout? I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. Wild strike misses the target. Wild strike doesn't find a home.
And down he goes. Cole, what's he got in mind? Oh, things have gone from bad to worse for Clark.
You can see the wear and tear that this fight has taken out of these men.
And there's the flying forearm.
He's going back outside. Look at those eyes.
Oh, yeah, this could be big.
And there he goes again.
Oh, big hip toss. Oh, no. Wait a minute, Cole, what's he going to do here?
Oh, man, a huge jaw-jacking drop kick.
He's superstar. We got a cover.
His partner's being punished, and he's seen it all.
The superstar wins.